Following a massive attack on Kyiv, tragically, 4 people were reported killed and many others injured, including 1 child. But also, power stations were hit and energy supplies have been seriously affected. More than 30% of Kyiv population now does not have heating, and water and electricity has also been affected. Behind me, UNICEF is getting these 2 generators to help and enable the repairs and provide us some backup at this vital time, with temperatures at minus 10 degrees centigrade right now in Kyiv. Across Ukraine, attacks have impacted critical infrastructure. That's why UNICEF's winter response started months ago to put in place systems where we can help bolster energy supplies, to make sure that water services keep running, to make sure that hospitals can keep providing services, and that schools can keep functioning.